Hello, I'm David from Trade Nation, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to place a hedge trade. Okay, so let's have a look at my screen here. I've got a platform open, the list of popular markets, and you can see under my open positions tab that I have a position. I've bought $1 per point of the UK 100, and that's open, up and running at the moment. Now, when I come to sell $1 a point of the UK 100, and I'll do that right now. We open the trade ticket. I'm going to sell $1. I'm going to do it at the prevailing price. So I click on sell and submit. You can see that that closes out my existing position. So that's the default setting on the Trade Nation platform. But let's say, for instance, that I didn't want to close my open position. So let's just reestablish that one. Trade, one, buy, submit. So there you can see I'm back. I've reestablished my open long position in the UK 100. And as I say, let's say that I don't particularly want to close out the position. Let's say, for instance, I don't want to realize a profit or loss, but I want to protect myself over a big piece of economic data. So I'd like to be flat in the market with no overall risk, but I don't want to realize a profit or loss. So let's do that. Again, click on the trade button for the UK 100. But this time, instead of going ahead and just selling, I'm going to click the hedging button here. Then I'm going to click sell, and then I'm going to click submit. Now you can see what I've got. I've got two open positions. I've got one, the original buying position, and now I've got a selling position as well. They're both updating. They're both giving me a running profit and loss. But in this way, I can simultaneously hold a long and a short position in the same market. And there may be good reasons why I'd like to do that rather than, as I say, realize a profit and loss. So there you go. There's how to place a hedge trade. I hope you found that useful. Please make sure you keep up with everything that's going on at Trade Nation by going to our YouTube site and clicking on the subscribe button. In the meantime, thank you very much for watching and best of luck with your trading.